It's called Porcelain Glow Balm. Okay, it is a balm, but it's not a beauty balm. It's just a balm. It is a whitening cream. It is actually a cream that is very white color, and it's going to even out any type of pigmentation. So in it, you have 3 types of vitamin C. So it's going to be your brightening primer, for example. Use just a little bit, okay? And pat it onto the skin. All of those BB creams, pat them onto the skin. First, you apply them on your hand. You massage them. You warm them up in your hand. And then you pat them onto the skin. And then you can take a makeup sponge and, blend the rest of it. So it's for someone who is really concerned about hyperpigmentation. So she's going to use a serum for anti-pigmentation. She's going to use a cream for anti-pigmentation, and then her sunscreen, and then that porcelain glow balm before her foundation or her BB cream. It is going to conceal the skin, but also it's going to minimize age spot. So it's actually a great product to use on the face, but also to use on the hands, okay? If you have any age spot. So it's for anyone who have concern about hyperpigmentation, okay? So in it, you have also your titanium dioxide, so it's why it's very white and chalky. So it is not a BB cream, but it is a product you can use as a primer, which is going to help with anti-pigmentation.